So me and Bill just found this.
Nice table. It's a quality item.
Fumigate it.
I can fumigate it.
It's on the side of the road, so figured it looked like it got rained on once or twice.
No, point it too.
Quit your pointing. We'll have to see what to do with it though.
Well, I think I'm ready to finish and it'll be fucking sweet.
Yeah. Maybe.
Solid wood.
Hey, do you want to get your belt sander and sand it in the front porch?
Oh, we can do that.
Let's do it right now.
Oh wait, I gotta put the tape up. Priorities.
Okay.
Yeah,
And okay, and I need to do the thing in the basement, making the door.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. By the way, that'll look nice over there whenever we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need a couch.
We already had a plan for today. We need to stick to it, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My tape.
Otherwise, we'll get sidetracked by all these little projects.
My tape. I used this blue painter's tape.
Yeah.
And it's a low tack tape. And I knew
it's already starting to kind of come up a little bit.
Start doing that, so I got some duct tape. I'm just gonna run another thing of duct tape on it.
So what I'm thinking is.
Well, I tell you what. Undo the box.
And undo this.
This and this can just be like laid over here for now.
Well, I'm thinking it might be better just to because this line goes into this light fixture that's on this roof that always gets wet. I don't know if you want to have AC in contact with water all the time.
Well, I think for now, just to get it out of your way.
Well, it would be easier.
Just leave it over here.
It would be easier to, because I have to open this up and undo it to get the screws out anyway. So I might as well just go undo this. What do you think?
I know yeah, I know you're gonna have to get in there to undo it, but I would just leave it hooked up, put the cover back on.
I wonder which circuit.
Yeah, because I don't know.
This box is actually pretty nice, so I'll just move it over here. Okay.
Yeah, but you're gonna still have this then running around the corner.
Nope, I'm gonna disconnect that. So that's gonna be dead. We can only reconnect it later. So,
oh, okay. I see what you're
because power
saying.
comes to here, and I'll just make it to where this is the end instead of carrying on to that.
Okay.
And then we
All right,
won't have to worry about.
disconnect that one.
Yeah.
And then move this one.
Like right here or somewhere.
That's fine. Yeah,
'Cause I think it'd be more useful. Or should I put it down lower if we have like a table here?
Well, you know what? Anywhere for now is gonna be fine.
I guess the rookie.
But I mean, you know, I got no fucking covers on anything. Well, I guess when that light goes on, you'll know. There it is.
Did you check if it's live?
That is, oh, now. I got one plug into the microwave, which is now off.
Yeah.
And the oven on the end of the cabinet is off. So that's, okay, so that's what that line is powering, is those two outlets. See, I plan on reworking all this wiring, but
Yeah.
I may call in an electrician for some pro advice.
So really just look at that.
No, that's all off. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, it's off. Okay, so
What, ground? One, and that should pull right out of there.
okay, so how does
Will
this
that,
come out?
will that pull out or?
No, it has.
No.
Oh, here, let me get mine. Oh, whoops! Let me hit you guys.
There's a red tab. I wonder if that's got any.
Oh no, there's a pin here.
Oh, is there? Okay. And there's one right. Can you see this one right on top there?
Yeah, it rotated.
See if you can hit that one on top. Oh, well, I'm moving it.
There might be a third one.
Yeah. Oh, did I get it?
We're gonna get so many people. We're gonna
almost.
get so many people complaining like, "That's not how you do it. It takes a special tool, or you just use a toothpick and it works like a charm."
Probably does take some sort of. There must be one more tab I'm missing because I'm almost.
It takes a
there.
special tool we lack called a brain.
If I had a regular screwdriver, just let me go get. I'm gonna get a regular screwdriver. And it should pop right out.
I got it.
I knew that. Why did I go get a frickin' screwdriver? I hate that when people do that.
I like doing that to people. I still need a screwdriver though.
Well, come on up and get one. Back for a while.
I hate these Phillips head screwdriver bits. Fucking hammer. Oh, I hate the sound of that thing. Well, with that out of the way, I recall in winter that this doorway. Are you coming down?
Yeah, I'm cleaning the shit off in the corner of the next window I gotta get
Oh, nice. Well, anyway, so I remember a lot of cold air coming in from that opening from the outside room. Yeah, I thought it'd be good to keep that.
I like that.
So my idea is we need to demolish this weird little wall thingy over here anyway. So I think I can get enough wood, or that plywood, to make a door to at least stop wind from coming in here. And you know, honestly, during winter, it actually stayed kind of warm down here compared to outside.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
So I think once we get the insulation up and we get that door,
right,
it should get pretty nice.
Yeah.
And I'll probably want to make it to where you can even like tack some insulation in the door if later on. I don't know, just an idea.
Yeah, and you can use all that stuff if you want it.
Yep. You know that insulation. You say something?
There's these big ass pieces in my room I don't need in there anymore.
Okay. Oh, and by the way, I seem to recall that fiberglass insulation, like when you get it on you, it'd like sting you or whatever, but this doesn't seem to do that anymore. I just picked it up and it just feels like cotton, you know?
It might start itching in a little while.
Have
If
they-
it does, wash with cold water.
Yeah. But I mean, like, have they changed how they make them or something?
No, it's still fiberglass.
Oh, weird.
But see, now
Maybe
this
I just don't
stuff,
have any feeling in my hands.
I think this is fiberglass, but it's like a darker brown color for some reason.
It's probably like recycle it or something.
Could be.
Damn. I think.
Wow, Jesus Christ.
Big ass knife.
Yeah, Christ, they put some nails in that fucker.
I think the nails that are holding the house together are smaller.
Look at that. Yeah. They didn't need that size in there.
Oops.
That is loud.
Oh wow.
You get it?
No, it's I just split the 2x4 it's connected to in half. Oh my god. Well.
more tape.
Okay.
Do you want a cold, flavorful drink of some sort?
Maybe. I'm gonna go hold that real quick. Knock this out.
That's it. She's stuffing. Oh, opens that right up. I like that. I like that a lot.
I got these. Got these garbage.
Look at that now.
Yeah.
Alright, I will be back.
Okie dokie.
Ran out of the 2 rolls of tape I got ready. Not gonna laugh at a little water.
This might be firewood.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Just throw the 2x4 pile.
Oh, hey, I found a marble.
Good job.
It's a newer one. All right, so 38 inches, 39, 39, then 40, because that's just however the house is. Wow, that saw blade needs some replacement. That's in need of some sharpening. Oh well. Ooh! Fuck. Fucking hell. There's a metal barb on that thing. So that is to hold this board, which is going to be the, well, for stiffening this, because I need a piece of wood across the edge of this plywood in order to make it so I can screw a hinge into it. Spiders. Come on. I think I'll be building this door next, for sure. I about made that perfect. fucking impact drivers. God damn it. Oh, I just realized that's not straight. Why can't anything be cut straight in this house? Oh, it was a 2x4. That's a mistake. Ah, whatever.
Issue with the door?
Yeah, I was just having some. Well, I got a metal spoon.
Oh, hey.
So I'm just kind of
I'm
building
not hating that.
It just broke.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah. Too bad you ain't got your hatchet here
I
even.
know. I'm gonna.
Well, hey, I do have my. Oh, well, there you go. I was gonna say my belts.
Oh, this is full of shit.
Oh, I am not hating that at all.
I'll just have to clean up the
Yeah, that's
part
gonna.
because I wasn't expecting the 2x4 to be sitting on the ground. I didn't really think about that. So it just rubs up against it.
That's fine. No, that's gonna work out just fine.
I can put another 2x4 over here. What the hell was this? That works. Ew. And now this piece will act as a bit of trim here, and it'll also act as what it stops against the wall with. Not bad. Years. Oh, there we go. I want you to lock it. Lock it, please. Thanks. Otherwise, I have to walk through the house and do all that shit.
I like it. Is that all you need, man?
Yeah, well, I need to unlock it in a bit. I just.
Oh, you want to come out?
I mean, I'd rather not walk around the house. I'm getting kind of pissed off.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm really pissed off.
Right.
Well, there's just lots of stuff that's not going right. Anyway. I fucking hate this fucking drill. Because it's not a drill, it's an impact driver. Fuck's sake.
That's also the construction. Exclusively. It's like,
If you can open it now.
it's like, why do you use that thing?
And all my viewers,
Perfect.
my viewers all recommend it. It's obvious. Fucking viewers are idiots because they recommend that bullshit.
Yeah, that thing is annoying.
Well, it keeps stripping out the screws. I hate it. But it's done.
No, I like what you've done there.
And I figure we can paint it.
And it's, I mean, there's like very little gap around it.
Well, I'm thinking what we can do is get some rubber. Yeah,
I mean, that's pretty freaking good.
Thanks. I think we can get some rubber and put some rubber on the bottom so it just kind of pushes against the ground.
Compared to the open hole that it was?
Well, even whenever I had just this last piece, you can see all the air going through and the spider web is just flowing.
Oh, yeah,
You don't really notice how much air is going through there. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I see that. I sort of stuffed a fucking sleeping bag in there or something.
So probably what we'll do is pretty soon we're going to continue cleaning up the basement, and then once we work over to that corner, we'll paint all that door and that wood. I think that'd be pretty good.
I like it.
Have you been working on something up there that you want to show?
Oh, just pulling, just a window.
So not really much
No,
to show. Yeah.
nothing they've not already seen.
Pulling staples.
Oh my God. I bet you there was 3 or 4 years worth of staples. Because you can tell
Probably
where
more.
they stapled one year, tore the plastic down,
Yeah.
and then just restapled without pulling anything.
And of course some of the plastic's still there.
And they
I went ahead
repainted.
and sanded that.
It looks nice and smooth.
I actually made 2 of them, but the impact driver fucked up and
Snapped one of them.
yeah, so I threw that away. What were you saying about the
They actually had staples in there that they went to repaint the window and just painted over the staples.
Oh my God.
It's like, come on, people.
So yeah, that's that. And
Yeah, that's great.
and we got this part cleaned up too.
Oh, this I
Which isn't
really
too
like
bad.
too. It's all nice and open now.
Yeah.
I like that.
You want to call it there?
Yeah.
I'm
it's been a long
done.
day.
Yeah, and then tomorrow will be the days where each of us just stays home and I play video games.
Yeah.
You lays around eating potato chips, watching NASA space flight or whatever.
We got a lot of shit done today.
Yeah.
I mean, you were on your own project. I was on my project upstairs. I mean, we tag teamed a couple of things, but damn, this was a lot of fucking work. Oh, and this reminds me. They had blue painter's tape on the side of the window in the bedroom. where they painted the walls
And forgot to take it off.
and left the paint and left the tape on. It's like,
So shit. But then again, I guess someone would look at this and say it's shit too, so whatever.
oh, compared to what that was, that's 110%
No,
better.
but like if it was somewhere else where like they would think like, well, that's such a shit thing, because it is kind of a shit thing. Because eventually we're gonna replace
You
this
made
with
it all
better-
out of scrap, we found.
Well, I mean, like the other, what I tore apart over there with the
Yeah.
plywood, that was made out of scrap, but
Yeah.
I'm judgmental against it. I don't know. Anyway, we plan to replace this with something nice in the future, but for now, this is gonna be good for winter.
Did you tell him you moved the outlet?
It's in the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I like it there.
I'm thinking probably put like a workbench here, or a table of some sort. Maybe have it angled at the end, so like
Oh,
you
yeah.
have room to go around, but so just something here to have stuff. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or you gonna do
Well, just, it's so much better than it ever was,
Yeah.
so,
It'll probably increase the temperature by like 10 or 20 degrees down here. in
Oh,
winter,
yeah.
Because you have the heat like seeping out of the furnace. It's going to keep it warm down here if it doesn't have wind coming through.
And then that back door
Yeah.
had such wide gaps in it that the
Oh,
wind...
you can feel the wind coming through.
Can ya?
Yeah.
Wow, we can do something about that.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya. I'm ready for some tea and maybe going home.
You know, we still got that bottle of,
Sparkling grape juice.
yeah, you like.
Yeah, sure. Let's get some grape juice.
Okay.